Jai Swaminarayan students. Today we'll be doing page number 18, 19, 20 and 21. Let's start with page number 18, that is marine life. Circle all the listed words that are hidden in the grid. Look for words across, down and also diagonally. Two have been done for you. Okay, see children, what is done? You have the names are given, right? The list of the words are given down. You need to find those words in this puzzle and you need to circle them as two of them are done. So first what you will do, you yourself will search all these and then you will check from the video, right? We'll jump to page number 19, that is Champions of Change. These people made a difference to the world by bringing about reforms in society. Identify these social reformers with the help of the given clues. Choose your answer from the help box. Okay, now these are the questions, right, which are asked on the reformers, society reformers. That means they brought some changes in the society, some permanent changes, right? So let us start with the first one. He challenged traditional Hindu culture, denounced the caste system, and formed the Brahmo Samaj, a Hindu reformist sect. His efforts led to the prohibition of the custom of sati. Right? What did he do? He challenged the Hindu culture, he brought down the caste system, right? And he reformed a Samaj called Brahmo Samaj, right? He even abolished the custom, that is sati, and he was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Write down Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The clues are given at the end of the pages, children. Next, his efforts led to legalization of widow remarriage in India. He promoted the education of girls and strongly opposed child marriage and polygamy. Okay, what did he do? He legalized widow remarriage. He even promoted girls education, and he was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Next, he made efforts to combine Indian spirituality with Western material progress and dedicated his life towards elimination of child marriage and illiteracy in India. Right? He helped in abolition of child marriage and illiteracy. He strongly promoted education among women and lower caste. He was Swami Vivekananda. Next, she dedicated her life to charity and to look after the sick and the poor. In 1979, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize and she was Mother Teresa. Children, Teresa is not written. You write down Teresa, Mother Teresa. Fifth, he gave up his legal career to devote his life to take care of leprosy patients. Later, he founded an ashram dedicated to the treatment and rehabilitation of these patients. He was Baba Amte. Last, he fought against child labor and advocated the universal right to education. He founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan. In 2014, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize and he was Kailash Satyarthi. Let's jump to page number 20. Tops at table tennis. Want to learn table tennis? Here is a beginner's guide to help you get started. Table tennis is an indoor sport played between two players or teams, right children? You must already know that what is table tennis. To play this game, you will need a couple of table tennis bats, also called rackets, a ball and a special table. A table tennis table you will need. The aim of a game is to make the ball go over the net to the opponent's half so that the opponent cannot reach to return the ball over the net on the top. That is the game, that is how the table tennis game is played. Okay, here are some points given, some details given regarding this game. The first is the table. How is the table? It is a flat rectangular wooden table, 2.74 meter long and 1.525 meter wide and 76 centimeter high, with a net dividing it into two halves. These measurements are fixed for all the table tennis tables. Playing surface. How is the playing surface? Tabletop with marked edges and lines within which players hit the ball. End line marks the back line of the serving zone and the end of the playing surface. Sideline. It is the line marking the sides of the playing surface. They are called sidelines. Center line. It is 3 mm line which divides each half of the table into two, across which the serve is made by the player. Net. Loosely stitched divider across the middle of the table over which the players hit the ball. That is called the net. Net support. It is 15.25 centimeter high vertical piece used to stretch the net along the table using white tape. That is called net support. And the last is restriction. While the ball is in play, players cannot move the table or touch the surface or net. They are not allowed to touch all this. Now identify these table tennis stars. Choose the correct answers from the help box. See, the first one is Ma Long from China. That blue color box, you will be seeing the spellings from there, children. Next is Dmitry Ovcharov. He is from Germany. Third is Fan Zhendong. He is from China. Tick the correct answers. In which city was the first table tennis world championship held? It was held in London. Today's table tennis balls are made from celluloid plastic. What were they originally made from? Originally they were made from rubber. Okay children, we'll continue with other pages in the next session. Jai Swaminarayan.